Bright Bite.
Hey there, Web Wizard. Welcome to part 4 of our HTML quest, where your website gets its magic touch. So, what adds that sparkle of action to the HTML pages? Buttons and forms. Buttons are like secret levers users can push. And forms? They're magical scrolls that collect answers from visitors. Why use buttons and forms? Because they let your website do things. Want to build a quiz, a contact page, or a sign-up box? Boom! Buttons and forms have your back. When do you add them? It could be in a game, a feedback form, or even a mystery puzzle. Where do you place them? Inside a form tag, the special container for all your interactive bits. Look at this example on your screen. And who can use all this wizardry? You can! With just a few lines of code, you can build a page that can listen, talk, and respond. Want to make your buttons even smarter? You'll need JavaScript. But we'll be talking about that soon in our upcoming videos. Until then, keep coding, keep clicking, and keep casting your code spells. Bye-bye.